Hello guys. Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I will be reviewing a Windows 10 optimizer which will help you to speed up your PC and increase performance. So, let's get started. This utility software provides many features such as speeding up your system and network performance, disable unnecessary Windows services, disable Windows telemetry, disable Cortana, disable Windows. First you will need to download the optimizer as shown. Open your favorite browser and go to the link shown or click the link in the description. Then you will be in a website as shown. Then click optimizer.exe and download the setup. If you get a warning as shown, click the arrow key and select Keep. After the setup has been downloaded, open the setup. Then you will get a Windows as show, then click More Info, click Run Anyway. Then you may click the features which want to disable and click Apply and Restart. Then you may continue the rest. I hope this video would have helped you, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Thanks for watching.